Hey, bro, is that the mailman?
Shit, man, I don't know.
What you got coming in?
I don't know, man. I really don't know what it is, man. We have to go check
Let's
it
go
out.
find out.
Hey, mailman, what's up? What you got for me?
Years later.
I've been waiting for you all week, bro. What you got, man? I'm busy, nigga. I got your shit right here, bro. What is this? LSX acceleration and Ooh, baby. Hey, man, I appreciate you, brother. Thank you, man. Praise the Lord. Man, praise the Lord, he came today, man. God bless us. Let's see what it is, man. Let's see what it is. See what it is. Yeah, man. Oh, what is it? Camshaft? I wonder what that car is for. Damn, man. Ooh, babe, what is this right here? Some valve springs? Look at that. Double springs for y'all boys. What y'all know about this right there, man? Look at that. Whole kit.
Where'd you get it from?
Shit, man. BTR. Online. Got the. There you go right here. Nice. Nicely packaged. I like it. I like it. So this is what I got the conversion from the 1 boat to the 3 boat. Here's the specs for the cam. Calm cams, man. That's it. That's what you want right there, man. Let's see what the specs are right here. Let's see what the specs are. The specs on this cam are. They're just official. I can't even tell y'all, man, for real. Oh, there we go. This camshaft is a 229 by 244. It's a stage 3. But here's what we're really here for. I wish y'all came to watch, man. This is gonna get done by me, my uncle, hopefully, or me and my friend. I'm not planning on paying nobody to do it for me, you know. This is what I love to do. Touch it, but man, it's ready. Can't wait to, show y'all. So just stay updated, man. We're gonna let y'all know when it's gonna be in. And it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a little fun project. Just stay tuned. And we also got this package from LSX Acceleration. We got some lifters, because you can't go wrong with that. So this is babies right here, man. So we're doing a whole cam kit, everything. So stay tuned. We're gonna stay tuned, man. This is what you love doing. This is what I love doing. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the 4th video on my YouTube channel. So pretty much, this is my cam kit. This is I went online and purchased it, and I finally got it in. Whatever not. But yeah. So this is what I'm gonna do the next video. So it's gonna be about my cam kit. About me installing and everything. Doing it with my friend, my uncle. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do it with. I gotta see. So pretty much, yeah. So that's it, man. So pretty much this channel, you're gonna see just a little bit different. You might see cars, you might see music, you might see a little bit of Fortnite. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just like to do a lot of things. I know I'm pretty good at little different things, but just bear with me. If you like it, you stick along, and just tag along, and we'll enjoy it. If you love to do what I like to do, and we're on the same page, man, you came to the right channel. But yeah, man, that's it. So it's a stage 3 cam. It's my car is not stock, man. Before y'all start talking any mess, my car is not stock. Internal, the engine has they're flat top performance pistons. So I'm gonna also port the heads. Hopefully, I'm gonna get them ported. So it's gonna be. That's why I'm looking for another car, because I know I'm gonna be down for a little bit. But I'm gonna probably be using my sister's or something. I'm gonna get it going. But so this cam kit is gonna be coming pretty soon. I can't wait, man. I want to be chopping down the road just like all you guys, man, for real. So yeah, pretty much, man, if you like what I'll do, man, just stick around, subscribe, like, share, man. Share with your friends, with your mom, your tia, abuela, everybody, bro. Let them know what's up, what's going on my channel. You know, hey, but I appreciate you, man. You know, if y'all let me know what y'all want to see, let me know. If you know, if y'all like, if y'all want me to go to racing, or if y'all want racing, or what y'all want, bro. Let me know what y'all want. I got more surprises coming soon to this car, man. I tell you what, I just don't. So much more to come. I tell you, man. I don't even know, but it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun, a fun time, you know. So just stick around, tag along, bro. Let me know. Thank you, bro. Y'all have a great day, man. For real. Oh, and also, guys, I had some extra footage for y'all at the end of the video. I went to the car show the other day with me and my girl. It's called the Meet Chanela Fest. You know, so it's I saw pretty cool trucks. All right, it's not cars. It's just a lot of trucks. So if you're at Taquache, it's gonna be your stuff right here. You know. So yeah, man, just enjoy the extra footage. You know, and like I said, thank you. Let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know what y'all like. Let me know what y'all like. Let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all like, man, please leave a like, subscribe, share, bro. You know, let me know. But yeah, it's gonna be a little bit. Y'all enjoy. All right, y'all enjoy the little segment videos I recorded for y'all. You know, let me know, for real, guys. Let me know what y'all want. Let me know what y'all want to see, for real, man. Let me know.